silence of the midnight hour, when my heart feels weak and torn, when the tears fall like the rain, and my strength feels almost gone, you whisper hope into my soul. You remind me of your promise. Though weeping may endure for a night, joy is coming in the morning.
I have walked through darkest valleys. I have felt the weight of fear, but your word became my anchor, and your voice was always near.
You never left me in the shadow. You never let me fight alone. Even when I couldn't see you, you working all along. Every tear I cried, you were counting every broken prayer. You were hearing joy in the morning. Hope is rising, light is breaking through the night. You are faithful, you are shining, turning sorrow into light. Joy in the morning, chains are falling, heaven's promise still remains. My God is working all things for good, and I praise your name.
In the waiting and the wondering, in the silence and the pain, you were building something greater. Every loss was not in vain.
You restore what has been stolen. You redeem what's been undone. And the story isn't over, because my victory has come. Every tear I cried, you were counting every broken prayer. You were hearing joy in the morning. Hope is rising, light is breaking through the night. You are faithful, you are shining, turning sorrow into light. You turn sorrow into singing. You turn graves into glory. You turn darkness into daylight. You turn fear into faith. You turn weakness into worship. You turn trials into praise. This is not the end of my story. This is not the end of my song. The night may look overwhelming, but the morning is coming strong. The storm will not define me. The fire will not consume. The God who walked on water is walking in